Yeah, see, true, me have to go through. You see all this? What's up? Me can't tell me stand up in this snow. Me don't know where to walk. Me don't know where to turn. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Jamaica people, every minute you don't want phone. You don't have a problem with phone, and I'm glad about this, you know. See, that this America people have to go through for go to work. Me can't see where me I go look at my face. Me can't see where me I go. Me have to look at vehicle come lick me down. And every minute you don't want big phone. You don't want money. You don't want Nike. You don't want Adidas. You don't want Flipper, Dipper. In the name of Jesus, and this we have to go through. We send something come down. We don't feel grateful. Help me now. We have snow. This is a snowstorm. Jamaica people, we need help in America. Come help go through the storm. Yeah. If you know, say, we don't have it like that. We have to pay our bills. We have to buy food. We have to wear boots. See there? See there? The car literally hiding in the snow. Jamaica people, come together and stop beg we. Make we go no when we want go no. Make we go no when we have it. Because it not pretty. It not pretty at all.